Dude, I'm excited to see this shit. Oh man. Damn, dude. That looks so fun. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Amir and this is Street Production 303. And in today's video, I am taking my new wheels from my C7 and I'm taking it to a shop, a body shop, and they're gonna get it sprayed. I'm getting them painted and then I'm getting them baked on there, so it's gonna look sick. I have the color chosen, and that is the reason that I haven't revealed the car. It's been about 2 weeks, so I haven't revealed it to you guys because I did not want to keep them gunmetal. What's up, guy? Guy. Hey, let me open the garage, dude. Look how f***ing lucky I am, bro. Brand new wheels and brand new tires, and I got a freaking screw in that shit. Really? Yeah, dude. I didn't want to take it out yesterday because I'll probably have all the air leak out of it. How are we gonna do this? Upright? Well, we're not gonna put it down. Just upright. Like roll them in. I just don't want them to be. I just don't want it to roll back and hit the window, or you know, the actual back. It's a nice car. And all the way super light. Yeah, they're not heavy. What's on this one? That's the front one. That's why. Let's see on this one.
You just gotta put it down maybe a little more so it doesn't move around.
Lock the garage up. I didn't even have breakfast or nothing, dude. I had nothing. And then what do we do for like 3 hours? Just alright, we're here at what is this called? Service King? Yeah, buddy. Hopefully he's a morning person. I wouldn't want to paint this f***ing early in the morning on a Saturday. You walk way too fast, dude. You're already gone. I'll grab this one. High tech. You know what's cool though, with these tires at least? I feel like you can see the lip pretty well. Right now it's about 11 o'clock. The painter's finishing up. He's gonna let him cure and then bake him. All right, let's roll out. Dude, I'm so excited to see the wheels. They're in there. I think they're still sitting in the booth itself, or the bake booth. Oh my God, I can't wait. I've been waiting for this for like, what, 2 or 3 weeks already? Dude, I'm excited to see this shit. Oh man. Damn, dude. That looks so... It's like a bronze copper. Dude, that looks so good. Damn. That looks so good, dude. This is better than I even thought. Like, from the samples. Alright guys, I'm so excited. I love the way it looks. This is the look I've been going after for some time. I wanted it to look like that. It's more of an exotic look, not the typical look that people are used to. Now I know I'm gonna get some shit. I'm gonna get people saying, you know, that's not what you should have done. Now, a lot of people go with black wheels or gunmetal wheels, and I feel like that's a played out look. That's a look that everybody does nowadays. So the copper, gold, brass wheels is really an 80s look, and it's starting to come back, and a lot of people are putting that type of setup on their cars now, and it makes it look so much more unique and so different. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Take care and be safe.